Welcome to eCharged. In this video, we will look in detail about the specifications of the Etergo Appscooter. The Appscooter is better in every way and it solves problems related to four areas: the storage space, speed, range anxiety, and about the cockpit. So let's have a detailed look of the problems that Appscooter solves. First problem is about the safety. We have seen that most of the people have gotten themselves into accidents just while using their smartphone. So, using smartphone while driving results in a higher chances of crashes. So, the biggest cause of death of using smartphone while driving is resolved by Appscooter by using safe navigation and application control with the handlebar controls. So if you see here, the main LED 7-inch screen of the Appscooter can be controlled by using the handlebar controls which are given here and to the other side. So it has navigations, map, it can even control your smartphone, calling people and doing the daily activities of your phone, thus preventing the accidents which are caused by using smartphones. You can also control music, also get some important notifications. Now, let's move on to the second problem, which is related to range anxiety. A typical petrol scooter, given the tank is full with fuel, it gives about 200 kilometers of range, and the current highest range electric scooter gives about 120 kilometers of range. The Appscooter, however, has a different approach. Let's say for a user whose daily driving is around 50 kilometers, you can have one battery module into the Appscooter which can provide a range of 80 kilometers. If you feel you need additional range, you can have two modules to get about 160 kilometers of range. These battery modules are handy. If you want some more range and want to travel longer distances, you can have three modules into the Appscooter which gives a combined range of 240 kilometers. Now, what was the solution to implement the battery problems? Most of the scooters you have seen have an inbuilt battery, but Appscooter has got modular battery. What is the benefit? You can carry the battery wherever you want to charge, like a backpack. It will be charged overnight, and morning you have the fully charged battery and ready to go. So as I said earlier, one module of battery is equivalent to range of 80 kilometers. Now, let's see the problem with petrol scooters. They cannot compete with the electric scooter because of the power issues, the speed. If you see the speed of any petrol vehicle, when you want to accelerate really fast down the lane, those are very noisy, they are dirty, they pollute a lot and often cause a lot of maintenance issues. The solution is a fast and efficient drivetrain. If you see, we have the centrally mounted motor and it is connected to a shaft along with this wheel. So it is not a hub motor. So this motor gives a lot of control and is really faster than the petrol counterparts. If you want to check the acceleration, it goes about 0 to 45 kilometers in just 3.9 seconds, which is almost 3 times faster than a 50cc petrol Vespa. Next, really an important problem which traditional scooters as well as some of the e-scooters have is the storage. There is insufficiency in storage because in the case of electric motors, the storage space is taken by the batteries and the scooter looks very large, bulky, and it takes a significant amount of space for storage. But in case of Appscooter, you can see a typical petrol scooter tech gives about 31 liters of boot space. Current electric model with lot of efficiency has given about 28 liters of boot space, but Appscooter gives about 50 liters. That is because the batteries are optimized in a way so that they give a lot of storage. So it has a large trunk which offers about 50 liters of seat. It fits two adult helmets or full grocery bags, or as you can see here, a crate full of beer. Now let's look at the tech dimensions of the Appscooter. If you see, the scooter has a curb weight of 75 kgs and a battery weight of 8.5 kg per module. It has a wheelbase of 1345 mm and a seat height of 800 mm. The trunk size, as we saw earlier, is 50 liters. The cockpit is very safe. It has 7 inches full color touchscreen display and also controls your phone. The Appscooter is built on a chassis which is really optimized to absorb shock and offers a great styling as well as strength to the scooter. If you see the front suspension, it has telescopic single shock heads as well as the rear has a horizontally mounted shock absorber. The brakes, you can see there are hydraulic brakes both in the front and rear, and it has a standard 12 inches aluminum alloys. Now let's talk about the battery. As we saw, we have 3 battery modules which offer 80 km range per module, but you can see the peak discharge power of each module is about 3 kilowatts, and it has advanced battery management which is developed in-house. The drivetrain of the e-scooter has got a belt drive which gives a maximum power of 6 kilowatt and a nominal motor power of 3 kilowatt. The maximum motor torque is about 50 Newton meter and the voltage is 48 volts nominal voltage. The motor is a AC brushless motor and the transmission is single seat belted transmission. The software and connectivity is based on Android operating system, has got built-in navigation, music and phone control and advanced diagnosis. The companion app also functions to remotely unlock and lock the scooter, also has a Find My Scooter application as well as displays the charging information about the scooter. The connectivity is provided with 4G as well as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi with different features like over-the-air updates as well as GPS and other features. So overall, if you see, this is a very smartly designed app scooter as well as very much optimized for space and gives a decent performance, I would say more than decent performance, as well as lot of huge range. This sure can beat the petrol scooters as well as the current electric scooters way much, and it also provides a very clean and simple electric drive. So that's it for this podcast. This is eCharged signing off. Thank you.